welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a eyebrow video for you guys. If you guys didn't see by the title, this is the Foolproof Brow Powder by Benefit, and this retails for 46 New Zealand dollars, so I think that's like 20 something US dollars, I'm not quite sure. Couldn't find it online, but this is it here, and I've got it in shade 3, and I am so freaking excited because I got this tried on like when I went to the Benefit counter, and it was amazing. It was freaking good. So finally got my hands on it, and I'm excited to be trying it for you guys today so you guys can see how it applies and see if it looks good. So I have ginger hair and kind of go for the medium brow tones, even though my brows look quite ashy right now, but that's because I've just done my face, so that's why, bitch. Alrighty, so this is brow powder for natural looking fullness, and on the back it's got an easy guide and everything. It says it lasts for 12 hours and you go lighter to darker, so it maps out how you want to do your eyebrow as well. And this is what it looks like here. So it's got the 3 on the back so you know what number it is. And I do really like Benefit's new packaging, which is the silver like chromatic packaging. I think it's really cute. So this is how it sits here. It's kind of like a little chest sort of thing, which I think is really cute. And then you open it up like so, and it's got the powder inside with this brush. So this is the powder here, and it is the light to dark. And then we've got this brush here which has, oh actually it's a 2-in-1 brush, so it goes like this, and one side brushes the brow, and then this is a sponge applicator, and then yeah, it's just one that folds out like that, and then you fold it back in itself to be able to store it away. So it's just a kit that you can take on the go anywhere you want, sort of thing, nice and little. The amount of product that you get in it is 2 grams of product, but I've used Benefit products for a very long time and they last ages. It also comes with a handy little mirror as well, and it comes with a sticker that says sweep lighter shade from start of brow to arch, sweep deeper shade from arch to tail end of the brow. So it's literally got the instructions in there on a plastic bit, but we don't need that. Oh god, we're stuck. Oh, there we go. Yes, and then there's a little mirror. Hi. There's a little mirror in there. So without further ado, I think we should get to it, I guess. So zoom you on in. We'll start by brushing our brow. So it's all nicely brushed, and then let's get the sponge, and it kind of maps it out for you, so you want your brow to look like that. Okay, so let's get the darker end, and I'm just rubbing it in like that. It's got the product on like so, so I'm just going to try and draw it on. So it is literally like a powder, it's not a wax or anything like that. So whether or not you want it to just fill in your brows, or you want it to define them more, if you've got anything else on like a gel or something, if you like preferring a pomade, I guess that could be used in conjunction with that too. Alright, let's go for the lighter shade. The thing I'm finding with this is it is actually taking a very long time to apply. Alright, so that is the brow done there, and it is kind of nice and natural. It's not as defined as I normally would like it to be, but it's definitely kind of worked. So I guess let's do the other brow now. So they're all done there. They look pretty normal from back there. From close up, I would like them definitely to be more defined. Now with this, it does take a very long time to do. Normally my brows are like a minute. This has probably been at least 3 or 4 minutes, which I know is not that long in comparison, but if you're in a rush, if you're trying to be on the go, like this is probably going to be a harder product to work with, I would say. But it definitely is not a bad product, but there is definitely better benefit brow products that you could use. Like the browsings is probably going to be one that's faster, but this video isn't about browsing, so she can go away. So yeah, with this one, it's not a very time effective one if you are in a hurry. It does have a good result, but it is harder to work with. It would probably only work if you had already defined brows, if you already had them there. If you had very sparse brows, I feel like this might be a harder product to work with, just because it's not going to add your kind of little lines and everything in there. It's just more to fill in if you've already got brows there and you just have, you know, like a few gaps, so you just want to, you know, make them a bit darker. So that's, I guess, what this product is for. So it's not for everyone, this product here, but it definitely is not a bad product, but, you know, could be better. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I don't think this is one I would repurchase though. I think it is a cool one to have just because now I've got the whole collection of brow products, but it's not one I would repurchase or highly recommend. So yeah, if you don't have it, you don't need it. That's what I reckon. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do have it, let me know in the comments down below, and if I have changed your mind, let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.